Hi everyone, thank you so much for stopping by my channel and hanging out with me for today's motivational cleaning video. We are going to be continuing on with another express clean with me, and this time we're going to be tackling the kitchen. Getting straight into today's cleaning tasks, we're going to start by clearing off the counters. I always find that it's much easier to get things done, like doing all the dishes, when you've got a bit of free space to work with. So clear off anything that doesn't belong, put away any appliances, any bits and pieces, and then any dirty dishes that you have, just pop them into the sink and go from there. Once you have some free space, I find it's then easier to go ahead and tackle all the dishes. So deal with all your dishes, however that may be. If you have to empty the dishwasher and then restack it, if you wash your dishes by hand, sometimes you do a mixture of both like I do in this video. I empty and stack the dishwasher, which I'm having a few problems with at the moment. It's a difficult dishwasher to deal with. It seems to always end up with little dirty food remnants, no matter how many times I clean the filter or how many times I run cleaners through the dishwasher. There always seems to be a ring of like sludgy like food remnants around, which is kind of gross. But anyway, I digress. You get your dishes clean and organized, whether it be in the dishwasher by hand or, like me, a mixture of both. It's funny, I'm really noticing as I edit back this video, I'm going to have to get my kids to watch it because they need some instruction on how to load or pack or stack the dishwasher. Honestly, when I empty the dishwasher that they have packed, it is always a hot mess with stuff everywhere. I like the dishwasher stacked in a very particular way, with everything lined up and everything packed in a way that makes it makes sense to unpack it. So the things that go on the right hand side of the kitchen are packed to the right hand side of the dishwasher, and so on and so forth. Now, before I pack away the cutlery from the dishwasher, I am just giving the cutlery drawer a quick little vacuum out with my new handy dandy vacuum cleaner that I picked up recently in a little Amazon mini order, which I'm going to pop in a video, like a collective Amazon things that I've purchased lately, because I've bought some things and I've repurchased some things that I really love that have been really good. So I definitely wanted to share those with you. I know Amazon hauls aren't for everyone, but I personally really enjoy watching them, and I get tons of good ideas on what to buy and also on what not to buy when I watch other people's Amazon haul videos. Anyway, getting back to the kitchen express speed clean with me. Now I am just hand washing all of the things that I don't typically like to put in the dishwasher, such as oven baking trays. They always accumulate water in the little folds of the metal and then they go rusty. Wooden chopping boards or anything that just can't go through the dishwasher. This tap honestly drives me crazy in this place. It is constantly coming loose, and it doesn't matter how many times I tighten it, it just will not stay secure. I actually purchased a tap with a spray attachment from Bunnings, but I didn't realize until I purchased it that it's actually illegal in Queensland to replace taps yourself. It has to be done by a licensed plumber, which is kind of crazy because for like, I think the tap was about $145. The minimum that you can get a plumber in to replace a tap is $150. So it costs more to get the plumber in to fit the tap than it does to buy the tap in the first place. I mentioned before that I was having issues with this dishwasher, and it seems that no matter how many times I clean the filter or I clean the actual dishwasher with actual dishwasher cleaner, I've tried actual dishwasher cleaner by Finish, I've also tried vinegar and bicarb dishwasher cleaning hack. Doesn't matter what I do, it always leaves a sludgy ring of food residue around the racks and around the front of the dishwasher, unless the dishes are pretty much spotlessly clean before putting them in the dishwasher, which kind of defeats the purpose of having a dishwasher. So another issue about this place that I have to constantly be chasing up with the real estate agent. But anyway, we are off topic again from the kitchen clean with me, and I'm trying out the Pink Stuff cream cleanser, which I used in my recent laundry clean with me that I'll leave linked down below. I picked this up on Amazon recently and I like it, but honestly, like I said in the other video, I don't love it enough to go out of my way and hunt it down because it's not super easily available in Australia. I think it might be available in either Bunnings or Big W. I have seen it in a retail shop somewhere, but it's not like available in all the supermarkets around here. I'd definitely like to try the paste in the tub that you can get, as that was what I was looking for originally on Amazon, but it was all sold out. Next up on the list of things to do is to take care of the cooktop and any appliances that need cleaning, if that is your stove or your oven or a microwave or anything that it's an appliance. Usually this is a good thing to clean after you've cleared off the sink, because then you've got somewhere to put all the grills and grates and bits and pieces if you need to take anything out. On this day, I was using the Method Heavy Duty Degreaser Cleaner to tackle any splatters of oil that were on the cooktop. I do like that product, but honestly, I wouldn't repurchase it because I find that my DIY that I do with some liquid dishwashing detergent and water, it tackles grease just as well, if not better than the Method, and it is a fraction of the price, and I can make it myself, reducing the overall number of cleaners that I have in my home, which is a goal for this year. Next up, we are going to be taking care of cleaning down all the cabinets and drawers, and I just do a top-down approach. Not in any strict particular order, I just find that it's easier to kind of clean top to bottom and either left to right or around the kitchen, just so you're kind of doing it in some kind of systematic approach. Now, I recently did a pretty detailed deep clean of the kitchen, so I didn't need to move every single appliance, but I'm doing a pretty thorough job cleaning the backsplash and just in and around, but not taking absolutely everything out. Like I mentioned before, you never realize how dirty your kitchen cabinets really are until you're up close and personal and giving them a clean. You see lots of food spills, drips, crumbs, fingerprints, you name it. It's always much dirtier than you think.
Good, baby, keep on coming back to you. I know that you know it, 'cause you already messed it up.
Now, even though I wipe bench tops down at the start of the cleaning after I do the dishes and kind of throughout kitchen cleaning routines, I like to, towards the end, just take absolutely everything off, even if you've accumulated bits and pieces throughout cleaning, like cleaners, a little vacuum cleaner, you might have a cup or cleaning cloths, whatever you've got on there, take it all off and give it a really good clean down so you can get it completely clean and not miss any spots. Now we are on the home stretch of this kitchen clean with me, and it is time to shine your sink, which is honestly one of my favorite things to do in the kitchen cleaning routine, because one, it means you're near the end of the whole kitchen clean, which is great, but it's also so satisfying to clean a stainless steel sink because it gets so shiny and beautiful. I'm so excited about a shiny sink, look at me. And this is really one of my favorite things to clean, probably in the whole house. I particularly like using a cream cleanser like Jif or the pink stuff that I've picked up recently on Amazon. I also like using Gumption, which is a paste cleaner, and that is similar to what I think is similar to the pink stuff in the paste form, which I still will try once I can get my hands on it. But honestly, there is nothing as satisfying as a shiny, clean sink that has been polished and dry, and you know that you're so close to finishing because there's nothing else to clean that needs to mess up the sink, and that's why I leave that to almost the end. Now we're on to our second last step in the kitchen cleaning routine, and that is to take care of your floors. So either give them a vacuum or a good sweep, and then give them a nice mop. Literally brand new. Don't come at me for wearing shoes in the house. So I have given the floor a nice thorough vacuum with my Dyson cordless vacuum cleaner. Now I'm using my new absolute favorite mop, which is from the IKEA Peprig cleaning set, which I did a whole review on that cleaning tool set from IKEA. I love this mop so much. One of the reasons I love it is because if you tip it sideways, it cleans your baseboards or your kickboards for you. without having to break your back or get down on your hands and knees and scrub those baseboards. You just pop it sideways and you can just use it to clean them, and it is done so quickly and easily. Definitely recommend it, even if it's just for this. Now the last step in cleaning the kitchen is to do a little reset. So that is obviously to empty any bins if you need to, rubbish recycling, give them a wipe out, replace the liners, put new floor mats down and replace all your kitchen towels, and then you are almost done. Amazon recent purchase, Method that I get from the Method store online usually for these ones. You can find them in Big W and in some of the supermarkets now, but not the full range. And the Method lime and sea salt, as I said, using the worst first, so my least favorite cleaners, and that is that. This is from Target. I really like this container or sprayer, whatever you call it. It's got a really nice trigger. It doesn't leak anywhere, it's really sturdy, and it's got a nice spray. And Earth's Choice dishwashing liquid, just in this glass reusable container that I've had probably for about 6 or 7 years. This has really lasted. It's a stalwart of the channel. Well, it's a stalwart of the Sunday Stylist channel, but I've had this for many years. So that's the cleaning products we used today. Now for the absolute best part of a kitchen cleaning routine, it is making a nice cup of tea or a coffee or a little treat to celebrate having such a nice clean kitchen. Even though they only stay clean for about 5 minutes, especially if you've got kids or partners, you know what I mean. While that is brewing, I said we were almost done. I always like to throw on a load of kitchen cleaning towels and all the things that I've used to clean the kitchen once I've done, so that it is just completely done and finished. And there are no little leftover jobs lingering that still need to come back to finishing. So guys, that about wraps it up for today's Express Kitchen Clean with me. I hope you're enjoying this little series of shorter, quicker videos. And once this whole house has been cleaned in these short videos, I'll of course edit it together into a bit of a cleaning marathon. If you did enjoy this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new here, because I will be making a ton of cleaning content coming up. I hope you found this video motivational and it has inspired you to get in and get your kitchen cleaned. Once again, thank you so much for watching. Have a fabulous day, and as always, I will see you in the next video. Bye everyone.